Amber babies, how you doing? It's me, Amber, and welcome back to my beauty channel. Yes, Amber babies, some people still don't get what I say in the beginning. I say Amber babies because my old subscribers are my babies and I'm Jin Amber. So guys, today I have very different video that I have never done before in my life. I have never gone to Target to shop beauty products, and actually today I went to Target and I bought everything here, skincare from Target, guys. Let's dig into this bag and I will show you what I got from Target. And if I had the ears that can hold this bag, I will totally do like this. I am so excited to show you guys what I bought. I have never tried none of these products. I spent $200, $210 with actually this app, Target app, that you actually have to add this to your wallet, cartwheel, scan at the checkout option, so you can get 20% off. This is they have like every week, every month different discounts. I saved actually $49 over here. You can see, I don't know if you're going to see because of the lighting. I saved $49, which is a lot of money, you know. First, what I got is Pixi. I never tried this ever brand in my life and I see everywhere. So chamomile, grapeseed oil, no tests on animals, paraben free. I'm very into natural stuff. So this is Pixi makeup removing cleansing cloths, 40 cloths. It was $10, so with 20% discount it was $8. And this next product, Pixi overnight glow serum, 10% glycolic acid, aloe vera, paraben free, blah blah blah, glycolic aloe vera. I'm really excited. How much was this? Let me tell you guys, $19 with discounts. Is regular price is $24. So glycolic 10% is really high concentration. It comes like this with the pum and glycolic treatment. I'm really excited to try those. I'm gonna do probably updated video about these products like in a month or so. Two more products from Pixi. This is Pixi's Glow Tonic 5% glycolic acid exfoliating toner, $15. Smells interesting, smells different, but. And this one is Pixi Retinol Tonic, Retinol Jasmine Flower Advanced Yacht Preserving Toner. It has some naturals, rosemary leaf, water, glycerin, propanol, methyl pentanol, magnesium ascorbyl, phosphate, sodium hyaluron. It's a really beautiful ingredients. So like seriously guys, so excited to try this. Smells, I don't know, my nose probably is broken. Alright, next item that I got, I have this tires, sorry, my English is broken, I don't know how to pronounce that brand. This is witch hazel, which everybody uses on YouTube, any like skincare guru, but I have never tried this, so I'm so excited to try this. Witch hazel aloe vera formula, alcohol free toner, rose petal. Smells like roses. I love rose smell. And let me see if this rose is natural. Purified water, certified organic witch hazel blend, aloe vera barbadensis leaf juice, glycerin, penas rosa, centifolia rose flower water. Yes. Fragrance. No, natural rose. It says fragrance natural rose, probably like rose essential oil. Then this is completely new. I have never even heard about this brand. This is from Target. MD Complete by Dr. Brian Zelikson. Anti-aging retinol vitamin C concentrate. If you guys familiar with this brand, let me know down in the comments below. What do you think about this brand? I believe this wasn't cheap. $29 and I pay with discount $23. So MD Complete anti-aging retinol with vitamin C, beautiful natural ingredients, everything, a lot of seed extract. Whenever you guys buy some product, if you don't understand very much, because I'm not a chemist, I don't understand, I'm just want to be honest, I'm not like some sort of like chemist, like I don't have master in chemistry or something like that. When I was in beauty school, we had like very basic about ingredients, what is basically bad, what is not bad. There are like thousands of ingredients. I don't know every single ingredient, but I can tell you wherever you see word extract, oil, seed, everything that's like really good. Nagelia sativa black cumin seed extract, solanum lipopersicum tomato seed extract, coconut oil, citrus bergamia, squalane oil, gardenia, helanthus anus safflower seed oil. It's really beautiful natural ingredients. I'm so excited. $23. This is really not much. I'm so excited. Glass jar. It's I'm really excited about this, probably the most out of everything like on this list. Now here is Super Aqua Ultra Waterful Cream with water from the Blue Mountains of Australia. Misha, I believe this is how you pronounce that. It's made in Korea. It's against animal testing. 80 milliliters, which is really huge jar. Made in Korea. Ingredients also really natural. Water, glycerin, anosogdigital, seed extract, butylene glycol, which is nothing bad. Niacinamide, which is really good. Sesame leaf cell extract, imperata sinica root extract, sodium poly. Oh my god, it's a lot of beautiful ingredients. Especially it's very important first 3 lines of the ingredients, what is in there. If it's something you don't like at the bottom, like can be at the bottom perfume, it's not so bad because it's gonna be like literally barely anything there. So guys, I'm probably gonna do a video about ingredients, and yeah, we'll see. This is actually the last jar. Beautiful, I love it. 80 mils. It's big, and this price was, Misha was 28, I paid 22. Let me try. Half cream on it. A little bit. Okay, so we'll try a little bit on my hand. Smells like barely any smell, like smells really fresh. But glass jar says a lot about the quality, and no oily feeling, nothing. Beautiful, love this cream, probably gonna love it, I have a feeling. Then next item, what I have from Target, this was never heard also ever in my life. Wamisa, how you guys pronounce this, I have no idea. English is my 4th language, so I don't know. Charcoal chai tea, pour refining glow pad, exfoliate, brightening. Charcoal chai tea, I love chai tea, I always drink chai tea. Also beautiful ingredients, for example, Linares leaf extract, Brassica olacora alafata leaf extract, glycerin, sodium hyaluronate. Ooh, smells interesting. I have next product, this one. This was expensive, I believe. Vita Propolis Ampoule Ligiham brand, Ligiham. Ingredients: propolis extract, olecar extract, hippolerable fruit extract, also beautiful pentanol rosa extract, witch hazel. Beautiful ingredients, made in Korea. And looks like this. Extract, because it's natural. Am I gonna do video like trying with Dermarole? I have to try before filming to not do like mistakes. Do not recommend something that I will never recommend. This was actually $38, I paid $30. This is really expensive. Wow. All right, couple of products left, of course, pads. Then I have something different, I don't know how to pronounce that brand. This Make Prem, you guys familiar with that? Make Prem Wonderful Me in Shower Face Pack. Enjoy your shower becoming so beautiful. Micro Trans Moisture 7 System, made in Korea. Where are ingredients? Water, glycerin, alga extract, a bunch of extracts. Quickly, I'm gonna tell you some trick about shower if you don't know. When you go to the shower, especially if you like hot shower, if you like warm shower, and then your pores opens, your moisture and oil barrier is kind of like damaged, especially if you wash your face in the shower. What I always do, this is a really important tip for me, what I do, what I recommend to my subscribers: you wash your face before with the cold water going to the shower and apply some mask, moisturizing mask. So probably this is what designed to go to the shower and use in the shower. And this is Make Prem brand that I never heard before, and Make Prem was $25, I paid $20. What does it do? In shower mask that envelops the skin with a hydrating barrier to brighten and a smooth skin. Rinse away at the end of your shower to reveal instant baby soft skin. I am really excited about this. Looks really cool. Like, this is such an important tip, guys, if you don't know. And then I am really skeptical and I like against kind of eye cream, especially for those people who don't have sensitive skin. My skin is sensitive, but I still use regular cream under my eyes. It's just like eye creams are such a BS to make extra money in the smaller jars by the companies. In only one case you need to use eye cream if you're really sensitive. Your under eye place like zone is super sensitive, then yes, but if not, just use regular cream, regular serum, regular everything around your eyes. I even use retinol around my eyes. So this is La Roche-Posay 15 mils, made in France, Dermic Eyes Anti-Aging Concentrate. This is actually with caffeine, so I'm really excited to try this little eye cream with the retinol and caffeine, because caffeine is really good to brighten under eyes for those people who have dark circles. They have some natural ingredients too, not everything, but they have some natural. They have soya oil, soybean oil, citric acid. I mean, it's not bad, it's nothing supernatural, but it's not really bad. So yeah guys, that's it for today's guys. Let me know if you have something from these products, because I am so excited. To me this is like literally first time trying all these brands. I'm excited completely about each of these products. So guys, I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe down below, click the red subscribe button, subscribe, click notification button so you can get notified when I upload some videos if you're interested about skincare, because I am this woman that I'm so crazy about skincare. Bye.